Dang, that's what it looks like from my bedroom up here. Well, not my bedroom, but my studio. Check it out. What's up? That's it. I got the lights in. I'm probably gonna buy a few more solar lights for the back corner because I couldn't get that far back because of the lights I got. It's they're made by Monster and they're like little pucks. And you know what? Here, this is what I got. I don't know if you can see that. So these are like these little pucks, and so they line up like that. So that's what you saw. That's what I showed you guys. So it's called Smart Ground Accent Lights, 50 foot. And it worked out perfect. I had to move it around, you know, a little bit just to make it look even. But other than that, they work great. You use the app on the phone. Downloaded pretty quick. So other than that, that's it. That's it for the yard. Wait for the grass to come in. There's few more things I got to do, like the lemon tree. I'm going to take it out of the gated community. Not take the lemon out, but I'm taking the gated community off. And I'm going to get some of the brick that I had left over and put it around the lemon tree so it matches the other trees. 2 more plants I have to put in. I'm putting those by the pillar. I'm also putting block around those. So that'll probably be tomorrow. Probably get that done tomorrow because I want to get that block out of there. So that's it for tonight. Just wanted to show you guys the lights real quick. It came out pretty good. I like them. They're controlling them on the phone. They had all kinds of features. I wasn't going to go through them all, but they change colors. They do chasing. They go back and forth, change like patterns and Halloween, patriotic, festive. They have one called peppermint. It's like red and white. Anyways, that's it. That's it for tonight. Having a cold one to call it a night. Catch up on some of you guys. And if I get those done tomorrow, I'll show you. If not, I'd be story time with my book. We'll see. Till then, good night.